Your question is, a seat of a MP can be declared vacant if he absents himself from the House for a continuous period of. Your options are A 6 months, B 2 months, C 3 months, D 1 year, or E none of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is B 2 months. Your question is, in India, Lok Sabha Speaker is. Your options are A nominated, B chosen, C elected, or D appointed. Right answer is B chosen. Your question is, Speaker of the Lok Sabha is elected by. Your options are A all members of parliament, B public directly, C all members of Lok Sabha, or D the members of parties in majority. Right answer is C all members of Lok Sabha. Your question is, who among the following doesn't take oath of the office? Your options are A president, B vice president, C prime minister, D speaker, or E judges of the Supreme Court. Right answer is D speaker. Your question is, who does the Speaker of the Lok Sabha submits his resignation to? Your options are A Attorney General of India, B the President of India, C the Deputy Speaker, or D the Chief Justice of India. Right answer is C the Deputy Speaker. Your question is, which of the following doesn't take the oath of the office? Your options are A President, B Vice President, C Speaker, D Prime Minister, or E members of the Council of Ministers. Right answer is C Speaker. Your question is, how can the Speaker of the Lok Sabha be removed? Your options are A by a resolution of Lok Sabha passed by a two-third majority of members present, B by a resolution of the Lok Sabha passed by a majority of all the members of the House, C by President on the advice of the Prime Minister, or D none of these. Right answer is B by a resolution of the Lok Sabha passed by a majority of all the members of the House. Your question is, the Speaker of the Lok Sabha addresses his letter of resignation to the. Your options are A Prime Minister of India, B President of India, C Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha, or D Vice President of India. Right answer is C Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha. Your question is, the Speaker of Lok Sabha can be removed from his office before the expiry of his term. Your options are A by the President on the recommendation of the Prime Minister, B if the Lok Sabha passes a resolution to this effect, C if the Lok Sabha and the Prime Minister so decide, or D if both the Houses of Parliament pass a resolution to this effect. Right answer is B if the Lok Sabha passes a resolution to this effect. Your question is, the Speaker of the Lok Sabha can be removed by. Your options are A resolution of the Lok Sabha passed by a majority of the members of the House, B two-third majority of the members of the House, C order of the President, or D a simple majority of the Parliament. Right answer is A resolution of the Lok Sabha passed by a majority of the members of the House.